Shelly with Fancy Sprinkles, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute unicorn themed dessert charcuterie board. I know you guys all know what a charcuterie board has: crackers, cheese, cured meats. Basically, a dessert charcuterie board is the same concept except with desserts. They're kind of like the new version of a dessert table, but they're mind-blowingly easy to make. And the presentation is also very nice. It's gonna wow any guests that come over. And you can use homemade dessert, store-bought dessert, candy, fruit. Literally, you can go crazy with it, just as long as it's sweet. Today I'm using store-bought dessert, and I'm actually gonna show you how I decorated it with Fancy Sprinkles unicorn kit, which comes with unicorn barf sprinkle blend, as well as unicorn breath sugar blend. It also comes with 2 prism powders, pink and purple. And I'm gonna be using white easy candy to drizzle some of them and to dip some of the desserts so we can stick the sprinkles on it and paint some prism powder on it. So before we get started, all you really need are your desserts as well as a large board. It could be made out of marble or wood. And you're also gonna need some type of small candy or chocolates, and I'll show you why you're gonna need that. You're also gonna need a small dish, at least 2 small dishes. All right, guys, so shall we begin? So to begin with our board, you're gonna wanna take the 2 small dishes that you have and put whatever you want inside of them. I went ahead and put sprinkles because it's gonna add a pop of color and it's really pretty. No one's gonna necessarily eat it, but it's just gonna make it look nice. And you're gonna wanna place them as far as apart from one another as you can. And the first thing you're gonna wanna put on the board is the largest dessert you have. It's just gonna be easier to go from largest to smallest. So I'm gonna start off with these donuts. Since these pink wafers are the only really bright desserts I'm using, I'm gonna actually place half of them here and half of them on this side. So it's gonna be balanced. And lastly, I'm gonna take my Oreos and just place them along the middle. And to finish off the board, I'm gonna use these pink starbursts to fill in the gaps. And you could use any candy you want. You just wanna make sure that they're really small so they could fit everywhere. And here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned a thing or two, because next time you guys do have guests coming over and you want to wow them with some desserts, it's so easy to make. You can do it really quickly. You don't need to stress, and you could use anything you have in the kitchen. If there are any other videos or recipes you guys want to learn, please comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fancy content. Thanks, guys.